Hi there! Today we are going to make a chair. So let's get started. For this, we need to see what do we have in our book. Yes, we see a very interesting chair right here and it is in perspective. For which we are going to make a four-sided shape. Once we are done with that, let's make the bottom part. Yes, the leg of the chair. But we will start by following the first step, wherein we are making a box below. Once we are done with that, let's start by making the leg. Yes, the front leg is going to be longer and the back leg is going to be shorter. Well, in real life, all the four legs are of the same size. But just because we are seeing this in 3D or perspective, we see that the back legs are shorter. Once we are done with the second step, let's move forward to the third step and make the chair fair. Yes, give it all the intricate details. Let's make this bottom part. As we are going to make this entire chair with a lot of lines, we can use our scale for this. The next thing we do is make this line. And then erase the inside part so that we don't get confused. The next thing we do is make this curve and sleeping lines here. Yes, we can mark it roughly like this. This can be a little confusing, so you need to make sure that you make the lines properly. Let's make the bottom part like this and then erase the top part. After that, let's start sketching this chair. Go very slow while sketching this. Let's make one line at a time. Complete the entire chair in a similar way. Go right on top of the pencil marks. Let's make this together and complete it. After that, we will erase all the pencil marks. The next thing we do is start coloring this. Let's take an ochre color and start with the seat. And then let's do this ochre color on the top as well. Yes, we've forgotten to make the top line. So can we do this together? Yes, this looks great. Continue coloring this. And then we will do the top part. Once we are done with that, let's go to the next color, which is dark brown. As this is a very thin space, we will not be able to do the outline. All we have to do is start coloring the entire thing all at once. Once that is done, we will continue coloring the other parts which are the same color. Go very slow while coloring in these small parts. And then let's change the color to another brown and do the back part. And look, our chair is ready.